In today's industrial landscape, plants are overwhelmed with data. Despite having more information than ever, the lack of understanding turns this abundance into a problem. A single gas turbine can generate over 500 sensor readings per second. With thousands of assets monitored and costs dropping, the challenge is no longer data collection but making sense of it. Each new data stream adds to the noise, creating more alarms than can be managed. This overload leads to alarm fatigue, where critical signals are lost in the chaos. A recent survey shows that 85% of alarms are ignored or missed. The monitoring systems meant to protect often fail to provide real diagnostic value. The key is not more data, but better understanding. By transforming raw data into actionable insights, engineers can focus on what truly matters. Rapid AI offers a solution by turning raw data into reliable, actionable insights. This approach enhances reliability, performance, and integrates engineering expertise into the model.